Welcome back. Today's tutorial shows how to insert headers and footers in Microsoft Word. We will also look what to put in headers and footers. To begin, select the Insert tab in the ribbon dot. Then, select the header or footer button in the header and footer group. From there, you can select a built-in style from the drop-down menu dot. After you select a style, Word will automatically switch from the Insert tab to the Header tab. In Header tab, the report title will go in. This tab only appears when you're working with headers. You can also select different first page in the Options group. To create different headers or footers on odd and even pages, select different odd and even pages. Now coming to Footer, again go to Insert tab. Then, select Footer button in the Header and Footer group. Select a style. Word will automatically switch from the Insert tab to the Header and Footer tab. In Footer, the page number will go in. Select the Page Number button in the Header and Footer group. After selecting, press OK and the page number will appear in the footer, which can be seen here. You can also add the page numbers by going to Insert tab and selecting the Page Number option. When the drop-down menu appears, select a location to insert the page numbers. You can choose the option, Bottom of Page, which is in the footer, page margins, or the current position. You can also check out other important tutorials available at our channel. Do subscribe our channel and suggest in the comment section if you have any video recommendations. Hope this helps you. Stay tuned.